lovelies, just a little handbag. Again. No, I've not been on the pop. So I thought I'd share with you. I've just ripped that one open. Got some diamond painting things. Sorry about the crinkly. Ready? Ready? Look at that. I think I'm going to use it as a makeup bag. But I just like the pattern on it. So there it is. Oops, sorry, and shaky, shaky, shaky. So it's just a heart. And yes, if you pull that off, it's very sticky. So it's all around the edge and then all in. So we have a look what gems. But I thought this was a nice little tiny project that I enjoyed doing the bookcase. And if you want to use it as a going out bag, there's a lovely chain to put it on, and they just clip on there and there, or you could put it on there if you want to make it longer, or me, I'll probably chop that up and use it for something else. I've just pulled that off. Is that my toddle thing? Yeah. So that goes on there, then that hooks, can you see, hooks onto there. So that obviously didn't put that on there, and that makes it easier to see, make sure everything's out. Yeah. Oh, there's some more jump rings as well. Another 2 jump rings in there, so they give you plenty of jump rings, so if that one doesn't work, you've got them. So we've got, oh, I'll leave it there, normal toolkit, little green boat, bit of wax, pink pen, so you've got everything that you need to do it. And then look at these. Oh, hang on. So this will be my second thing with special diamonds, because my notebook was the first and I really enjoyed it, and these are quick and easy projects. So let's do it that side. We've got some lovely green. Look at the colour. I used to hate green when I was younger, but it's like an emerald green, that is. But I love it now. That's like orangey yellow. That one's like a yellowy colour, like a sun sort of yellow. That's red, and that's a bigger size yellow of that one. So I presume AA114 probably relates to that. And then we've got some nice red teardrop shaped. They've got quite a nice lot of facets on them, haven't they? Can you see that one shining there? That's nice. And then smaller one of the red. Oh, like that. They look like an iridescent, don't they? Pinky red, depending which way the light shines on them. And then we've got some itty bitty teeny weeny, I can't say polka dot bikini. Look how tiny they are. I might have trouble with them once because they're so small. So they've all got on here, so this says A. So look, if you look on here, you find A's. So they're the ones that go in between these little things. That's number 7. Because you've got no charts, you just look for number 7. Number 7. What's that? Number 6 or number 9, depending which way you look at it. I would say 6, but it doesn't matter because that's the only one that's there. So they go in there, and so forth on there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. So that's one little project, or I might let the girls do that if they want to do it. But I thought that's going to be handy. Just a nice little bag. I thought I want a little makeup bag just to keep on my bathroom shelf, because I've got it in like a tatty box at the moment and a couple of bits. Not that I wear a lot of makeup, but the bits that I do wear are just in a tatty box. So I thought that would look nice on the bathroom shelf rather than a tatty box. And this one, sorry about the rattling, It's up to the bottom of the, is that it? Yeah, all empty. These were both from eBay. Sorry, I didn't tell you how much that one was. That was from eBay, and that was £6.75, which I thought was a really good price. And it took, okay, I ordered it on the 3rd, and I think it came on Saturday. So it was, no, Friday. What's Friday's date? I think it was the 10th. So about 7 days, about a week, roughly, give or take. And then I saw this. This is one that you do at 3 o'clock in the morning as well. Is you browse the internet, don't you? And I saw that. Can you see that? Ooh, you look a face. And look at that. A bookmark. I hadn't got one of those. Not sure how they work, but it's like, it's not, it's fax leather, it's not real because it's got a funny smell to it, but it's bendy. So we've got that again. Sorry about the crinkle. And look at that for a little tassel. I mean, that's easy to put through. You just literally poke that through that hole, and then when it's through the hole, you just literally thread that through like that, and that will attach it to that. So again, same tool as the other one. And then let's have a look at the colours of these ones, if I can get into it. What was this one? This was only £3.25. £3.25 for this bookmark. And then let me get the colour around this side. Oh, look at that! Like electric blue. Wow! Look at that. That's a yellow colour again. Your silver. I do like that electric blue. Some greens. That's like a sky type of blue. Beautiful. Orange. Oh, hang on. Sorry that interruption, that was hubby phoning. So we've got the lovely orange, and then we've got a deeper colour blue. Can you see? Do you see the shine? Where the light's catching it. You can see it there, can't you? Beautiful, beautiful. That's beautiful. I've got a ring in that. London blue, we call that, in my topaz ring. Got in that colour. Such a beautiful blue. And then look at that for electric blue. Ooh. Not quite as nice one. Mine's purpley blue. So we've got them. This tassel that you get. Beautiful butterfly look. And then like purpley and turquoisey colour into the purple for your tassel. So again, the same principle. You just find your number, like number 3 on there. So you would look on your thing for number 3, and you can see your number 3s are down there. So we'll have a look to see how sticky dicky it is. Oh yeah, that's sticky. Now the only thing that worries me about this is if it's a bookmark and it's going in and out of pages, is it going to rub off the diamonds? And I've just noticed, if you look up here, the glue is overlapped quite a bit around there. See it? So that would stick to your pages. So what I might do is seal it, and then once it's sealed, it's dry, it should hopefully then keep the diamonds on. I mean, there's no big deal because you always get plenty. So if you did come off, you could always stick it back on. But it's, you know, I suppose it'll stiffen up once the diamonds. But I've never done anything like it, so I said it's all new to me. So that's what I'm going to be doing, or the girls. If they want to do them, I'll let them do them. So we've got them. And then we've got all these for. this one. So which would you prefer? The bag? I mean, this one, they had loads of different ones to choose from. Every design you could think of. But I didn't want one that was too elaborate. I just wanted a nice simple pattern. Blump, done. And the same as that. I had to get that because peacocks are special to me, because Jessie always says peacocks. She used to say peacocks instead of peacocks. So I saw that and I thought that's Jessie Jew, so I'd have to get one of those. So yeah, so if you'd like to see them when they're done, I can show them at a later date, because I don't think I'll be doing them today because I want to do a bit of cross stitching later. So yeah, get yourself something different to diamond painting, something that quick and easy that you can do in between whatever else you're doing. So I'll love you and leave you. Take care, look after yourselves, and speak to you all soon. Bye for now.